Welcome to our new video tutorial. Today we would like to show you how to set up email notifications in Amelia using SMTP and how to set up a cron drop for all emails that are driven by customer action, such as reminders and follow-ups. Alexander, can you show us?
Of course. Okay, so as always, we'll start with the documentation. Everything should be covered in here. Basically, when you go to Amelia's settings, you first need to configure your notification settings. By default, it's PHP mail, but we do not recommend that because they mostly go into spam. So most recommended option is SMTP, and I'll be using my business account, which is on Gmail, so smtp.gmail.com. When you're using Gmail, you need to verify that in your Google account, less secure apps are allowed. So when you type in less, that's the first option that you see. Log into your account again, and there you see that allow less secure apps is on.
Okay, that's good to know.
Yeah, that's actually quite a big problem for Gmail users. So SMTP port can vary depending on the email provider. It's usually 465 for SSL or 587 for TLS. I'm using 587 and secure is TLS.
And how would I know which one to use?
Well, basically you can try either of these two. If they don't work, you need to reach out to your mailing provider and see if they're maybe using a different port, or if the secure has to be disabled or something else configured. So if these two don't work, reach out to the mailing provider. The SMTP username is actually your email, so at TMS. Okay, and the password is the password you use to log into your email. Sender name is what's going to be seen as who's sending the email, and the email is your email address, or if you want it to be, I don't know, no reply at TMS outsource, but we'll leave my email address here.
Sounds good.
Okay, so success, everything is saved. The next step is to actually configure the notification templates right here and to enable the ones that you want to send. So you do this for the customer, then for the employee, and when you're done, you're good to go. These placeholders here will be replaced with the actual name, so customer can use customer full name, and that would be copied. So let's just paste it here. These placeholders are found in these drop downs below or in this button right here. They are different for appointment email notifications and for events. So if you click on an event, you will see a different set of placeholders here. So if we assume that this is correct and saved, we can now proceed to booking an actual appointment. So I'm using an incognito tab because it's not advisable to book anything while you're logged into your admin account. So let me see, I don't want any extras, just to book a simple service. Let's say for Saturday at 9 a.m. I'll use my other test emails, so email test. Okay, none of these are mandatory, so you can just confirm. Booking is completed.
And we're waiting for appointment approved notification.
Yes, that's right. Here it is. Okay, your email test. You successfully scheduled service 1 appointment. So that is working fine. We can verify that the notifications are being sent correctly. That's pretty much it for the basic usage.
Great. Can we see now how to set up cron drop for reminders and follow-ups?
Oh yes, of course. All these scheduled notifications have a little clock symbol here. So you can, when you click on it, you can see the line that you need to add to the server. It's the same for all emails, so it's just one line, not another line for each notification. This is also explained in our documentation. If you click on scheduled notifications, it scrolls all the way down, so you can try different codes for different servers. But my advice, if you're not good with this, is just download WP Control plugin and use that. So I have that plugin installed, and I need to copy only the URL. So forget the asterisks and all this before, and go to Tools, Cron Events. In here, if you don't have schedules that you like, for example, every minute, every 5 minutes, and so on, you can create a new schedule here. So let's say every 10 minutes, interval would be 600 seconds, and display name 10 minutes. We already have that right here, so I will not create that one, but you can go back to Cron Events and add a new event. Select the PHP cron event, and from our documentation you can actually copy the segment here. So file, get contents. I will type that, file, get contents. Okay, open parentheses, double quotes, paste the URL that you copied from the scheduled notification, close quote, close parentheses, and semicolon. Let's just compare that here. Okay, so that's all good. Event name Amelia Cron. We will add it to run today. It's currently 15:21, so 3:21 p.m. We'll add it to be 24 p.m. and we'll set it to repeat every 10 minutes. Add event, and okay, here it is. Created the cron event Amelia Cron.
Great. Let's test it.
Okay, now back to incognito. We'll book an appointment for tomorrow, and let me just change this to another employee. So tomorrow is April 23rd, 9 a.m. I'll use the same credentials, email test. Okay, so confirm. That's done. All right, so the this is the employee's email actually. You can see that it's working as well. So here's the first one that we booked, the second one that we booked, and for the customer, this is a new email. You have successfully scheduled service 1 tomorrow.
Okay.
All right, so from Amelia settings, in order to test if the cron is working or not, you first need to change the time here, so it's actually in the past. When you look at today's time, actually this moment in time, it's 3:23 p.m. so seeing this scheduled for 10 a.m. this is good. Now to trigger the cron, we need to copy the URL again and paste it in a new tab. This will actually trigger the cron, and it will send the reminder emails. You can see that this just updated. Okay, so the message is scheduled email notification successfully sent.
Okay.
When you see this data null, that's fine because you didn't actually send anything through this, but it triggered the cron. So here you can see service 1 appointment reminder, and the email template that you configured is right here. We would like to remind you that you have service 1 appointment tomorrow at 9.
Great. So we are now sure that the cron is functioning properly.
That's right. Same goes for the employee. So you can see that this is pretty much it, and pretty simple.
Great. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Thank you. you guys. We hope that you will now have no doubts when setting up this type of notifications in Amelia. But if you still have any, you can ask us in the comments on our support platform. And that's it. See you next time.
Thanks, guys.
Bye.
Like, share, subscribe. Take care.